Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Puptune from Adopt Me. So let's get started. To draw this cute pet, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big circle. And then I'm going to go across, but kind of at a slight angle. So just going to come to the center right here, go at a slight angle, and let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. So this side is going to be more of like an oval, but it's going to be about the same height as this eye. So about right there, and then I'm going to go ahead, come down, go over to create this eye, and round it off more on this side. So it's a little bit flatter on this side and then rounder on this side right here. Because we're looking at this pet at a slight angle, not straight on. Okay, so I just want to make sure it's about this angle right here. Then from there, in between the eyes, we're going to draw the nose. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead, and once again at this angle, I'm going to go ahead and draw this line. And then we're going to round it off to create the nose. And we're going to bring it down and then go right back up. There. So then I'm going to come in here real quick and put in a highlight. So put in a circle right about here and shade it all in. And same thing over here. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and do the same thing to the nose. I'm just going to put a little highlight right here in the top and shade it all in. There. Okay, so now that I have that, actually, you know what? I'm going to bring this in a little bit more towards this side. A little more rounded off. Then from there, we're going to come down underneath this nose, so about the center right here, we're going to come down, and about right here, I'll just give myself a point right in the center. Using that as my guide, I'm going to draw a curve right underneath this nose, and then we're going to stick out this tongue. And draw a curve right there. And a little line right in the center. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see. Let's go ahead and we're just going to go above each eye and just draw a soft curve over each eye. Then we need to draw, let's see here, we need to go ahead and draw the antennas. So we're going to go above this eye, just go straight up, and let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point right on top, and I'm just going to draw a curve right on top of the eye. And then we're going to go up. We're going to shoot this up nice and high. So you know what, before we finish that, let's come back over here. Sorry about that, because I need to make sure, kind of figure out how big I want this little poof ball body shape to be before I can draw the antenna. So let's come back to here. Let's come back to the center of this eye, come out a tiny bit, just about right here. And we're just going to draw this very fluffy ball. So I'm going to come right here and draw one big curve. And we're going to draw another big curve around this pet right here. So we're going to draw another curve. So just kind of imagine it's going around. And let's see. Then we're going to go up. So about right here. Trying to see which way is easier to draw this, sorry. So now that I kind of know this is kind of like this curve I want, I'm going to have this big poofy ball. So let's go back to this antenna, and we're going to shoot this up a little bit higher to say about right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. and come right here, round it off, and go ahead and connect. So if you're using a pencil, I guess it would be much easier if you can just draw this poofy ball shape for the body first before you put in the antennas. But I don't want to erase today, so I'm just going to try my best to put in these antennas. So right here on the other side, above this eye, we're going to put the other antenna. So right here, another curve right over this eye, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go up, and we want it about the same height. So at this angle like the eye, about right here, round it off, connect down, and this is going to go out and come right back in and connect. There, so I have these two antennas. Now we can go ahead and let's say about right here, just poof it out, and then we're going to go around. Trying my best to follow the original, and then let's come back on this side near kind of like the angle of this eye right here. We're going to come right about here and draw a curve and another curve, and then in this space we're going to fit in the ear. Just come right about here, round off the tip and bring it down. And then for the inside, and then we can go ahead and draw in more of this body part right here. And then we're going to bring this out, and we just want to make it nice and round and poofy. There, so hopefully it's starting to come together. And definitely make any adjustments you need, like right here. I think I need to come out a little bit more now that I have my full circle in. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and come back into this area right here. And right underneath this eye, we need to put a foot. So right about here, I'm going to stop and then kind of curve in a little bit underneath the tongue, and then continuing this big curve, I'm going to go around, and then underneath this eye, I'm going to draw another curve so that I can fit a foot in here, and then go ahead and finish up my curves. There. Okay. Then from there, we're going to put in a foot. So right here, we're just going to come out with a curve. And right about here, another curve, and then connect it. And then same thing over here. Bring it down for these kind of gumdrop shaped feet. And connect. And then one more foot. So about right here, just curve down and bring it in. There. And then for some details, let's see here. You can put in some of these curves, give it some more texture. And here as well. And then, oh, almost forgot the other ear. So about right here, we're going to pop in this other ear. And about right here, we're not going to see the tip. So there, and then the inside. And let's see. That is pretty much it. Let me come in here really quick and just wipe this out. So like I said, you can always draw in the body shape first. This poofy ball, I wish my, it's so cold, this is not working. Okay, here we go. you can come in and if it's easier, just draw the body shape first, which is this poofy circle, and then you can put in all the details. But hopefully I didn't make it harder and it made it easier for you to follow along today to draw this cute Puptune. And that is pretty much it for this cute Puptune from Roblox Adopt Me. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.